Qingdao Manki International Trading Co. Limited provides customized angle board and professional services. Making edge board starts with high-quality craft paper. Putting the jumbo roll paper into the slitter machine. Cut into specific widths according to requirements. It is convenient to make according to the requirements and sizes of different customers. Step 2. Bonding. The adhesive glue non-toxic, sticky, and environmentally friendly. By folding and pressing with the forming machine, each corner protector is ensured to be flat and firm, and the edge is firm. According to customer requirements for different cutting, laser length measuring system equipped with cutting machine minimizes errors. Constant temperature drying system to accelerate the curing of glue. Prevent softening and mildew during storage. Transportation. Manki Paper Corner Protector supports OEM ODM custom. Can handle logo printing and color printing corner protector. Made in Manki. Quality first. Paper edge board. Eco-friendly. Strong toughness and high pressure resistance. Manki Paper Corner Protector is suitable for various industries, such as logistics packaging, cabinet and furniture, building and construction protection, food and beverage. Qingdao Manki International Trading Co. Limited. From raw materials to finished products, we rely on precise technology and strict quality control. Escort your goods